So we're inside Oceans Grand. This is on the 19th floor. The first thing I wanted to show you was this awesome view. We've got a view of both the ocean and a view of the Intercoastal Waterway. We're about a half a block off the ocean and we're about a half a block off the river. Let's go in and take a look at some of the other features of this unit. So it has a good sized living room. As you can see, this has a real nice sized dining area. Take a look at this backsplash. This is a very expensive, awesome backsplash. It has a very large master bedroom. It's got this antique barn door. This bathroom has both a shower and a jetted tub. So this is the second bedroom, and it's got the same great views and its own balcony. This room has double doors, slide out, got privacy. Could be used as third bedroom or another guest room.